Hey there traders, are you tired of struggling to see consistent results in your trading? Do you feel like you're spinning your wheels and not making any progress at all? Well, guess what? In today's video, we're gonna go over 5 key steps that will help you take your trading from 0 to 100 in just 30 days. But before we actually go ahead and get started, I want you guys to go ahead and smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment down below with your favorite gem, and I appreciate you guys for doing so. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so step number 1 is very simple. Clean your charts. When it comes to trading, it's important to keep things simple. I love to use the acronym KISS, K-I-S-S. Keep it stupid, simple. And the reason for this, guys, is because simplicity is so key when it comes to trading. Having 10 indicators and 30 lines will only confuse your mind and distract you from the essentials or the basics of what comes with trading. Develop a sniper mindset instead and focus on the most important information. Remember, less is more when it comes to trading. Let me say that one more time. Less is more when it comes to trading. Now, step number 2, focus only on one setup. Become the best trader in the world by focusing on just one setup and mastering it. Remember, trading is 99% waiting and 1% execution. So it's important to be patient and wait for the perfect opportunity to execute on your trade. As the great Bruce Lee said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Consistency is so important, guys, when it comes to mastering one setup. And I get this question all the time. Abel, should I learn a whole bunch of different pairs? Should I focus on a couple different pairs? And my answer is always going to be, stop focusing on the currency pairs and focus on perfecting one setup, and then you can trade any pair at any time. Now, step number 3, guys, is to focus on risk and not money. Money is literally just a tool in trading, and it's important to keep your risk in check. Now, when you start off trading, you want to start by lowering your risk. Have less money at stake, right? It's going to allow you to control your emotions a lot better than as if you're risking your entire account on that one trade. And what that's also going to do, guys, is going to allow you to focus on improving on your execution, which is going to in return help your confidence. And as your confidence and your execution improves, then you can gradually increase your risk over time. But remember, guys, confidence plus execution equals a legendary trader, which is exactly what you will become. Now, step number 4, review every trade you take. It is important to focus on data and focus on the details when reviewing your trades. Take the time to analyze each trade individually, whether it's a win or a loss, and use that information to improve your strategy over time. Remember, it's all about the process of learning and then repeating that process over a long period of time so you can develop the habits that you need to have in order to see the results that you are after. And then step number 5, guys, stop listening to other people's opinions. It's so easy to get caught up in the noise of the trading world, and it's so easy to get caught up with changing your system to something else or taking trades based on what others are doing. But if you want to be a top 1% trader, you need to focus on your own journey and your own system. So stop listening to the opinions of the 99% and trust in your own abilities. So there you have it, guys. 5 key steps to take your trading from 0 to 100 in just 30 days. But remember, clean your charts, focus on one setup, prioritize risk management, constantly review your trades, and ignore the opinions of others. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. And I'm speaking from experience because I've had issues, guys, dealing with all of these 5 steps. So I'm here now telling you guys what is most important, or at least the most important things that you should be prioritizing, which is the 5 steps. Now, I know it's not going to be easy. I know it's going to take some time. I know that trading itself, guys, is like learning an entirely new language, because that's exactly what it is. But take heed of these steps. Understand the importance of these steps. Understand the importance of really practicing everything that we spoke about. And if you do not see a massive change in your trading in the next 30 days, and if you truly implemented everything that I'm telling you guys to implement right now, then come back to this video and I will gladly assist you in any way possible. As much possible. In any way possible, guys, so I can help you guys truly get to the level that you guys aspire to get at. Because trading itself, guys, is such a phenomenal skill set to have in your bag. I mean, think about how many other ways of making money are out there that allow you to do it from the comfort of your own home, that allow you to do it from anywhere else in the world. Guys, there's not many other opportunities like this one, but you have to understand that there is a process. And although there's a lot of different things that people are going to tell you to do, I can almost guarantee, and there's not much that we can guarantee when it comes to trading, right? Because there's a lot of stuff that is non-guaranteeable. But with these 5 steps I just gave y'all, I can guarantee that you will see an increase in your trading if you are disciplined enough to actually follow these steps. Now, the question that I have for you, are you going to be disciplined to truly see the change that you're after? Now, only you can answer that question, right? But I want you guys to go ahead and drop that question down in the comments below and let me know that you will be disciplined. Let me know that you will follow these steps. And 30 days from the moment you start, I want you guys to come back and also let me know if you did see an increase in your trading abilities. Right, so in conclusion, family, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to take your trading to the next level, again, I highly recommend you to go ahead and grab my 5-day ProTrader Bootcamp video series that is literally down in the description below. And in that video series, I break down, guys, all of the most important things that you should understand to go from 0 to 100 or go from 0 to hero in this space. So please go ahead and take advantage of it. It's not going to be up long forever. In fact, it's probably going to be taken down soon, the link, but I want you guys to go ahead and get access to that. So go ahead and do it. If you type in coupon code WEALTHY, you can also get an extra 10% off of the bootcamp series, family. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it.